Hey everyone, we are back at the Copart facility here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I am Michael Brooks, also known as Monkey Wrench Mike. I just gave my name away. Everybody knows who it is. Anyway, I want to say thanks to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out and check out all of these cool cars and trucks. I am looking for something to park on my driveway, and I'm looking for something that you might be interested in as well. So let's get started and find us another vehicle. If ever I wished a car could talk, this 2017, I believe, Chrysler 300S would have a tale to tell. And you know how I know? 2018 Chrysler 300S. We have evidence tape. Evidence. This was sealed. Something happened with this car, and every opening was sealed. See? Every single one. Don't get in this car. Do not do this, because this is evidence of a crime. And I think, oh no, I think this, look at this. Pow, pow. Yeah, I think someone shot at this car. I really do. So there's a bullet hole. There's a bullet hole. Here's one here. There's one there. What happened? Oh, this was a good-looking car. What crime was she used for? I don't know. Other than, right here's some damage. We have some scraping. The tires, Supermax. There is tread on them. Goodyear. So we have 3 or 4 different kinds of tires on her. Damage? Well, she hit something, or something hit her. And that's the result. Oh, what are we going to find? Are there pieces of evidence lying beneath here? I don't know. We're going to find out, because this is going to be fun. Okay, let's look at the back seat first. Here we go. Oh, this was nice. Well, okay. Someone took a knife to this seat. It's got a smell to it. I will say that. Why is this cut? This is cut. This seat belt was cut. Oh gosh. Okay, so we had the side airbag go off. Let's look in here. Remember, we have the bullet hole right here. It came out right through here. This seatbelt was cut too. Oh look, the bullet went through here. Wow. This is see, there you go. Somebody cut these seats. I think this was a stolen car. I don't know. I really can't speculate. I could, but you know. Anyway, let's look back here. Ah! Did it end up in this seat? No. So they must have. Oh. I guess. I don't know. I really don't know. But someone has been digging in here. They have been digging around. So we have one bullet hole there. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let's look under the hood. And then we'll see what's going on here. This is cool. This is fun. Do we have evidence? Look at that. It went right through there. And then I'm sure they retrieved it. So it didn't go any further than right here. So it must have just been like right in here. So I'm sure the police have that. Because I don't feel, there's no bullet in there. Okay, so they have retrieved that one. It didn't damage the engine though, just the cover. This one here, this is cracked. But I don't see where that one would go either. Okay, no more bullet holes. 1, 2, 3 is all it took. So this was, yeah. Holy moly, you think she's gonna start? I mean, this would be a good car. Put on a hood and a bumper, a couple of headlights, a door, or if you're good with the spackle, as I call it, yeah, some Bondo, you could get it to work. Why is this? Oh, this is some kind of a release for your transmission, I guarantee you. But there's no key. So whoever stole this, it's got paddle shifters too. Nothing there. Beats speakers. Wow. Okay, well, that's all we need to see. Yeah, there's no power. There's no nothing, and I don't even have a key to try to start it. So we're just gonna have to keep looking. But what a story. Oh, this had a nice sunroof too. But look at this. X marks the spot. X marks the point of the video where we move on to another car. You want something reliable? How about a 2006 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition? As you can see right there. These have really, really, really good ratings. People love them, and they keep buying 4Runners over and over and over again. Absolutely. I have an ex-friend who did that, and this is one of the reasons why. Yeah, this V6 engine, they just keep on going, all right? These are great little engines. This thing will pull some, not the heaviest thing, but it will pull, and it will get you wherever you want to go because it is tall, it's got a good amount of torque, and it's 4-wheel drive, most of them. And I think it's a good looking car. I love the scoop, I really do. I love the scoop on the hoods. Michelin tires, if you can't read, look at that. There is some wear and tear, a couple of scratches right here. Maybe this did some off-roading. There is, I don't know, a little bit of tire left, maybe 30%. Military, that's a good sign. Oklahoma Sheriff's Association. And we do have power. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, they love their Del Monte. Boy, did they ever. Lots of fruit back here. Okay, maybe a scoop on the front bumper. There's a cover for your, oh, look at this. They have little mirrors right here so you can kind of see what's going on in the back. So you can make sure there's nobody hiding back there when you get in the car. Ugh. I like these cars, I really do. Okay, this is beat up. Here's why she's here. Well, okay, on the other side as well. Corner, front corner, back corner. She hit something here. You'll need a bumper. This is okay. Michelin, there we go, all the way around. That's good news. Most of your damage though is right here. So front and rear bumper, you'll need a headlight. You need a little piece right here. You'll need a fender, the little cover. This tire is okay. It's not like the other three though, is it? No, it's different. It's a Michelin, but it's a little bit different. And there's your, yeah, that's where your cover goes. That was in the back of the car. That doesn't scare me. I mean, it sounds expensive, but you will find these in the junkyard. Cloth seats that are really, really, really dirty. Someone drank a lot of coffee or Coke, put their hair in a ponytail, and had a lot of paper clips. Let's see. It's not the roomiest in the back. Yeah, I almost got one of these one time when I was in Florida. I really probably should have. And I ended up with an old Range Rover that got like 10 miles to the gallon, left me stranded everywhere because it had a theft security system issue with the front door, and it wouldn't start if it didn't want me to go anywhere. It literally would just leave me stranded. And I loved it, but I hated it at the same time. So, this is dirty. This is really dirty. But this is something that you could get, put a little money into. What does she sound like? Oh, 312,000 miles. And she sounds perfect. So they were getting the oil changed. There we go. See, yeah, 310, 313. So she's due for an oil change, but listen. Oh, this is nice. This is really, really nice. So this is the two-wheel. There's your little power port right there. As I mentioned, all of the paper clips you could ever need. A little opening for whatever. And then you got all your storage right in here. Can I interest you in a mint? There it is. Okay. And some keep out of reach of children percussion caps. Non-corrosive percussion caps. What is this? There's nothing in it. I don't know. I don't know what they hid in here. I don't know. There's a star. Well, yeah, this is a nice car. This, unfortunately, had a little bit of a fender bender, front and back. But listen to the engine. 2006. And look at it, as smooth as can be. 300,000 miles. So smooth. Look at how honest the engine is. Look how there's oil, everything all over there. You really do need to change your power steering fluid. That's gross. And your brake fluid looks like it has been changed. It's kind of a honey color. It's not black, but it is kind of a honey colored. And the fender would be so easy to put on. This would be fun. This would be a good little car for you. I don't know if it has a tow hitch. Probably not. Oh, it does. A good size one. There you go. Everything you could ever ask for in a vehicle, and they proudly served. Woo! Thank you for your service, Toyota 4Runner. And finally, a Mercedes I probably would not buy. Why? Well, it is baked. This car is absolutely baked. And just on the interior pieces alone, it's going to cost you. Plus, you need a new star. Someone stole the star out of your hood. There you go. So much better. There it is, my pretty. Okay. Yeah. This is, what is this, a 1987, I believe? Yes, 420 SEL. So it's not the 560 SEL. It's got the smaller engine, same body style, but it is just, it's been sitting outside and you can smell it from a mile away. Okay? This just reeks. Okay? Oh my goodness. Where'd she come from? Hope there's no snakes or anything. Let's see this. Michigan. Okay. Oh, and a handicap. I kind of like that. I need license plates in my life. I need to start collecting them. You get a battery in the back. Of course, it's probably 10 years old, 20 years old, who knows. And you get your aftermarket Sony CD changer. Yeah, this is, remember these antennas when cell phones first came out? Yep, kids used to have to, well, the phones stayed in the car. You didn't take them with you. Talk about baked. Look at the tire. That's barely holding air. One revolution and pow, kapooey. This, I mean, I hate to see it. I really do. But this, it's just so much work. Here's your seat. It's upside down. One of your computers. This is a cover. I think this is for the part of the engine. You got a relay right there. See how baked? There's the parcel shelf. This is kind of removed, but this is how, look, see all of this? The seats, you can't bring this back. Okay, now I have brought back leather that you could just push and tear. You get some really good leather reek. You soak it. You wrap it in a trash bag. You put it outside for a couple of days, and that leather just soaks everything up, and it becomes supple again. But this, see, you can't fix this, and it's already ripped. And look on that side. Look how dried out that is. Oh man! And look at the wood. Look where the radio went. There's where your old cell phone used to live. Look at the dash. Yeah, this is 172,000 miles. She was just getting broken in, and then somebody parked her out somewhere. This is bad. I mean, this is, see, oh my goodness. I'm sorry, little girl. That's a hot mess. Will this even open? Yep. Let's see what it looks like underneath. How many critters lived in the engine? This one is kind of holding air. Oh, I'm so sorry. You guys like looking at these old Mercedes like this that are way too far gone? Hold on. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, here we go. Wow, that's been there. The hood pad has come apart. Yeah, this is a mess. Look at all this. Look at this. Look at the poo. You know what? The car that I just bought for $400 is actually worse than this. It's worse. I had a whole trash sack just full of mouse and squirrel, you know what. I had to take everything kind of here apart. It's that old, it was a 95 E320 wagon is what it is, my second one, and it was something else. If you haven't seen the video on that, go back and look, because that, have I even released the video on it yet? I don't know, but just go back and look. It's a great video. It's gonna be perfect. I'm just trying to put all this crap back in here. Okay, that's a good relay right there. That's been replaced. So yeah, this is something that it's way too far gone. Nobody, I don't think anybody's gonna try to work on her. She's a parts car. She really is. And I hate to say that. I really do. I'm so sorry. That is gonna do it. 3 completely different vehicles out here in this video. 1, scene of a crime. 2, should be the scene of a crime. It's a crime to let a car like this just go to waste and dry rot. I'm sorry about that. I really, really am. The Toyota 4Runner, I think it would be a good car. It needs a little bit of work, but the engine was so quiet at 300,000 miles. So let me know what you think of these 3 cars. The Chrysler had a V6, but it had a great story. You could just make up all kinds of great stories about that car. This one, yeah, she's off to be a parts car or off to the yard somewhere. I can't even save her. I can't. So thank you for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. And once again, a huge thanks to everybody out here at Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I love coming out here, and you can come out here too. Doesn't cost you anything. You become a member. You can come out and check out the cars before you bid on them, and you can save a ton of money. And that is the name of the game. All right? Have a great day. Bye-bye.